Hi there, I'm Mary Ellen and this is my YouTube channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow. Here you can find over 1,000 DIY crafts, recipes, garden tips, family-friendly fun and travel, and cat shorts of my cats Cotton, Lucifer and Typo. Around here we ditch perfection and embrace the mess, because in life's messes we learn and grow. Most of my videos come with a side of spills, burnt fingers from the glue gun, and an occasional cat walking through the shot. Together we're always celebrating something, whether it's a holiday or just the fact that I got through a craft without glitter in my coffee. From festive DIY decor to seasonal treats, there's always a reason to break out the hot glue gun and have a little fun. And if you've got an instant pot or air fryer gathering dust, I'll help you to enjoy using them. I bring all of this to you with a light-hearted learn-as-you-go approach. So if you're into creative chaos, cozy vibes, and learning right alongside me, hit that subscribe button and let's make some messy memories together. This creepy Halloween craft turns an old hardcover book into a spooky spell book prop that looks ancient, mysterious, and magical. Perfect for decorating a mantle, entryway, or Halloween party scene. What you'll need: an old hardcover book, wooden skewers or craft sticks, hot glue gun plus glue sticks, plastic creepy crawlies, spiders, snakes, bugs, etc., sponge paintbrush, Mod Podge or white glue thinned with water, paper towel, 2-ply works best, black chalk paint, metallic gold acrylic paint, coffee or black tea. Instructions: prep the book. Start with a hardcover book you no longer need. It should be clean and dry. Frame the edges. Cut wooden skewers or craft sticks to size and hot glue them around the front cover's outer edges to create a raised frame. Add creepy decorations. Glue on plastic spiders, snakes, and creepy bugs. Let them stick out a bit for a 3D effect. Create the title. Using a hot glue gun, write "Spell Book" across the front and the spine of the book in thick lines. You can also add extra details like spider webs, cracks, or magical symbols using glue. Add texture with paper towels. Use a sponge brush to apply a layer of Mod Podge to the entire cover and spine. Lay down a full sheet of paper towel on top, pressing it into all the textures. Add another coat of Mod Podge on top to seal it in. Repeat to fully cover the front, spine, and even the back cover if you'd like. Let it dry completely. Tip: wrinkle the paper towel slightly as you lay it down for an aged, leathery texture. Age the book pages. To give the pages a worn, aged look, dip a rag or paper towel into brewed coffee or tea. Gently dab it along the edges of the book's pages. Let the book dry fully before moving on. Paint it black. Paint the entire cover and spine with black chalk paint. Get into all the nooks and crannies. Let it dry completely. Dry brush with gold. To highlight the texture, dip a dry brush lightly into gold metallic paint. Dab off the excess on a paper towel until the brush is almost dry. Gently sweep the brush across raised surfaces. The gold will catch on the glue designs, textures, and creepy crawlies, making them pop. Dry brushing gives your book an aged, magical metallic sheen. Don't skip this step. Let it all dry. Once you're happy with the look, let the entire book dry completely. Your spooky spell book is now ready to display. Some ways that you can display your finished spell book: prop it open on a Halloween mantle with candles around it. Use it as a witchy centerpiece on a party table. Display it with potion bottles and skulls on a bookshelf or hutch. Add it to a spooky entryway table for trick-or-treaters to see. Creating your own spooky spell book is a fun and creative way to add a mysterious, magical touch to your Halloween decor, or just to channel your inner wizard any time of year. With simple materials and a bit of imagination, you can transform an ordinary old book into a one-of-a-kind enchanted treasure. So gather your supplies, get crafting, and let your spellbook tell its own eerie story. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.